Alright, what is up, guys? So I'm gonna do an unboxing on some LEDs that I just got. By the time this video comes out, you guys will see that I got rid of the 1500 finally, and got a 2015.5 LML Duramax. It's got like 40,000 miles on it. Super duper clean truck. So now you guys get to come along that journey with me. Yeah, so I ordered Headlight LED, Auxbeam, low beams, fog lights. The high beams haven't come in yet, but they're ordered. LED reverse lights, LED rear turn signals, and then I'll show you guys kind of me unboxing these. Here's the new keys. I got a couple sets, like 3. So let me see here. I don't have my tripod with me. It sucks. My girlfriend stole it, so I'm gonna try to do my best here getting this stuff open. Hold on. Alright, sorry guys, I'm back now. So these are the Auxbeam low beams. Sorry about that. Stick that over there. First time seeing them right now with you guys. Ooh, crispy. Boys are crispy looking. Oh, there it is for now. I'll get everything out and show you guys, but so these are 6,000K bright white, 10,000 lumens aux beams. I read a lot of good reviews. I actually read some better ones on Hikari something, and I was like, and there was a set of low beams, high beams for 79 bucks, which isn't bad for it was a low beam, high beam. But these Auxbeam low beams were 32, and then a set of high beams was 29, so it actually saved me money going with Auxbeam. Alright, I cut it. It's hard to do with one hand, so I cut this open. Boom. No, foggers. These are the Auxbeam fog lights. 5202. There we go. 5202 on those. And these are H11s. So low beams. Here goes the fogs. Super, super nice. That's what they look like. Oh, we fit. So I've had the Silverado that you guys seen, and you know the other videos, and then 2010 Audi, and then I also had a 2006 Audi or 05 Audi, both A4s. And I've only ever used HIDs. That's it. DIDNT HIDs. That's literally the only bulb that I've ever used, and I regret it, honestly. And I kept on buying them and buying them and buying them, and I was like, on a 2015, you know, Silverado Duramax, there's no way I'm using cheap HIDs. Not that any of my trucks were really cheap, but there was no way that I was using at least them. I wasn't using them. So and I'll do an install obviously too, before, afters, all that, because I don't see too many. I watched a really good Hikari one that this guy did. I'll have to link his name. Coffee with 3 cream and 4 sugar.
Okay.
And then a large cafe mocha.
Okay.
With 2 cream, 3 sugar, and whipped topping. Alright, we're gonna be jumping on the thruway in a second up here. So it's kind of dark through here. You can kind of see my stock bulbs now pretty good. I'm trying to get like a, you know, a real good comparison. It gets kind of dark through here too, so these stock bulbs suck. But don't mind me swerving all these potholes. So this is like pretty much my, you know, my eye point of view right here. I'll get a couple clips on here of it. Oh, we got some sirens passing. fogs right now. I'm not even up to speed yet. It's 55 through here. So yeah, this is what it looks like. Stock bulbs, low beams only. A complex to sit up here, so I'm gonna pause it and I'll pick back up. All right, picking back up. So it's pretty dark over here. Just low beams are on right now. You can see that, right? Yeah. And I'm gonna throw the. Now the fogs are on too. Oh, shit, stuff's falling all over my truck. But all right, so now we got low beams and fogs on. That's what these look like together. Both are on now. I'll cut them off here while this is rolling too, because they do make a difference. Cut them off. So they're going off right now. See that? You guys will be able to see that. All right. Well, so that's that. I'll throw the high beams on somewhere and get a short little clip of it. All right, guys. I'm just getting one more little clip. So this is what the low beam pattern looks like. I'm gonna try to mark where I'm at too. All right, so like right here, and I'll park in the exact same spot with the HID or the LEDs, and then so this is with the fogs. So low beams and fogs, just low beams and fogs. Now just low beams, high beams. All right. Oh, I should probably get what they look like on the outside too. And then this is what they look like on the outside. Not that that really matters, but all right, and then we'll put the new ones in and keep going. The truck right now. I have some parts already. I don't know if you guys, I don't know if it's in the other video or not, but the resonator delete, Sinister diesel, air intake is Sinister diesel. None of it's on yet. And then I have the EGR, which I think you'll see in this video, and I'm waiting on exhaust. So I'm still waiting on that. Easy, so check back in after I get them in. Alrighty guys, well I'm gonna put this in this video so that you guys can see what I'm talking about, but unfortunately in this same video you guys will see the headlights in, but I ran into a problem. These Auxbeam bulbs, they actually don't fit. They fit obviously the H11 part, but this, it's hitting. There's a cap in here. Yep, that cap right there that you're looking at. This cap. It's gotta go on because these are projectors. So that's what seals the headlight. And this part, let me just flip this around. This part here is too big. So I already contacted them. They're gonna get me another pair sent out. I'm gonna send these back, I think. If not, whoever the fifth person is, fifth to comment on this video, number 5, will get these for free. So comment on this video when it comes out, and you can get a pair of H11 6000K 10,000 lumen Auxbeam LEDs, but they won't fit on your Silverado. So, but 5th person will get them free. They're sending me a pair out now. In the meantime, I'm gonna put the fogs in. So they're these little star screws. I just picked this set up a couple years ago for my other Silverado. It was like 10 bucks. Great to have. So there's 3 of these. One here, one down in here, and one there. And then you can pull this whole thing off. Well, not off, but you can move this enough to get back in there. Alrighty, once you guys get those 3, there's one there, one there, and one there. All on the front part of this. 1, 2, 3. And then you can just pull this out. There, you can see it. You just got to shove your hand in there and pull that one out and get the new one in. So let me do that, and then we'll keep going. Alrighty guys, I got both of them in. There's the stock bulbs. That's what they look like. Here's the new ones. You can see them in there. Really, really nice. I did both sides. I haven't checked them yet. And to be completely honest with you guys, I have no idea if polarity matters on these. It didn't look like it. It looked like it could go either way. So we'll find out here in just 1 second. Before I put everything back together, see if they went on. Oh, that one's working. We got one. We got two, boys. Auxbeam bulbs that I got wouldn't fit, so Auxbeam was pretty chill about it. They sent me out a new pair. It's 2 days later. I actually think I got them. I got them yesterday, I think. So it took them like a day to get here. I just had to go and drop my other set off at USPS. But I do have a pair, so fifth person to comment will get a pair of H11s. They won't fit in the Silverado though, unless you modify something. But so yeah, fifth person to comment will get them. I'll send them out to you. Just give me your info and everything. We'll go over that when we get there. But so yeah, so these are the that they sent me. I'm actually a little bit happier with these. I like these a little bit better. Here's hold on a second here. And if you guys are wondering. But yeah, so I don't know, the quality on these ones are actually better than the last set. And then this is you know what else comes in the box. Their little warranty card, warranty information. And then looks like a little instruction manual or something, yeah. So yeah, you gotta take off the air intake on this side. It's over there. You gotta loosen this. It's just a Phillips bolt. And then I loosen this one, pop that off, loosen, there's one around here, loosen that. Once you pop that end off, you can pull this breather tube out, and then you can finagle that big huge thing up. I do have an air intake on the way. So yeah, and then if you look down in here, that's what they look like. This is the cord for them. So I'm gonna get putting the new ones in. These things go over it. This is why the other bulb wouldn't fit, because it pops on. It's, you know, it pops on like this and then tightens and clicks tight. Alrighty guys, just a little quick tip. These have like a little weird cap on them. See that? I tried to look, and it doesn't look like this cap is really too important. So I'm just gonna take it off because it doesn't fit with it. So, but I got the other one in, fits perfect. Rip this guy out of here. I'm gonna put this one in, and then I'll show you before I put the cap back on and everything. It's in. It's kind of hard to see, I know, but it's in there. And then that big like anti-flicker resistor box that's on these, you can kind of see I tucked down inside there, and the caps fit back on and everything. So let me try to do this with one hand. I doubt I'm gonna be able to do this. And these are directional. See how that says like T and down? So alright, I don't know if you guys could see that. I know it's really, really dark, but so the cap's back on just like it was. It's in there. I know you can't see it in there, but it's in there. I'm gonna put this intake back. Maybe I should try to fire them up so I can see, make sure they work. This is all real time, so if I hook them up wrong, we'll know in a second. Where's the keys? Alright, let's see here. Get them headlights on. works. And that one works. They look like driving. Same street as before. I love them. I hate halogen bulbs so much. And this is from like my perspective. Alright guys, here's the after. You can see the beam pattern with these LEDs. They look amazing. That's what it looks like. This is the headlights and fogs on. Super crisp pattern. It's that Auxbeam.
So, clear out the room, I'm coming through. They wanna see what I'm about. Yeah, I got skills, do it for the thrill. I'm on a paper route. Extra, read about it.
Alright guys, this is what they look like. The new ones on the thruway again. You can see way better with these than you could the stock ones. A lot brighter than the stock bulbs. I'll turn the fogs on in a second when I get away from these cars. I'm kind of just cruising right now. I'm not even up to speed yet. It's 55 through here. So yeah, this is what it looks like. Stock bulbs. Alright, this is with the fogs on right now. I don't even know if you can tell. Now they're off. Yeah, you can't really tell. Now they're on. With the stock headlights, you can really tell. With this, you can't. But yeah, they're on now. I think if you pointed it more towards the side, they'd be able to tell. Now they're off. Now they're on. Yeah, no, you really can't tell. Oh shit, this car in front of us probably thinks I'm flashing them.
That's my word. I don't think they know. That's my word. Yeah. That's my. Hold up. Big on the set, what they said, play. So I skip straight ahead to the bread part. Time to go, I'm